Alright, this is the blue Stardust Chameleon sticker kit for the DJI Mavic Pro. And this is what it looks like. Let's see. I got it from Big Lamp Design. The type of sticker it is, it's a very forgiving material, so if you apply it and you don't like the way you applied it, you can re-peel it back up. I use the X-Acto knife sometimes if I couldn't get a hold of the edge. If the sticker feels too big in certain areas, you can peel it off and then heat it up and it'll shrink, and then when you reapply it, it'll fit perfectly. Or if it's too small, when you peel it off, you can heat it up, and then while you're applying it, you can stretch it. So that way you can get an absolutely perfect fit. There were a bunch of pieces that I reapplied multiple times, and so once it's on the drone exactly where you want it, then you would heat it up on the drone, and it helps make the adhesive more tacky, and then it kind of like sets it in place. After you heat it up, I would then push my finger on it to get rid of any bubbles or to just make sure it's stuck perfectly on there. Comes with three battery covers. And then it also comes with stickers 1, 2, and 3, so you can label your batteries. It's pretty easy to install. Some of the things I used to help install was an X-Acto knife. For sometimes if I laid it down and I already pushed down the sticker but I wanted to peel it back up, I used some tweezers to like apply the numbers. Use a heat gun to help. Once you stick on the sticker, you want to like melt it down. It helps make the adhesive more tacky, or if it goes around a corner, if it like wraps or bubbles, not bubbles, but is wrinkly, when you heat it up, you can like push it on easier. It was pretty easy to install. It took me a couple hours. The sticker seems very durable. It's very nice thick material. I ordered it on May 9th. It was $25 free shipping. It arrived May 22nd, so a little under 2 weeks. It's shipped from Thailand. Came in a nice shipping tube to protect it. After I sent a PayPal payment, he included a picture of the package with the tracking number. It was a nice confirmation that it actually shipped. The easiest way to figure out where each sticker goes is just to do the most obvious ones first, and then it's like a process of elimination. Okay, so the leg, front two legs are by far the hardest part. The sticker has a point up here on the top, and there's a point down here at the bottom. So it's almost like a diagonal. So on the sticker, see how there's a point here and a point here? That top point, keep in mind that my drone's upside down. That top point goes here. So this point right here goes in this top corner, and then this point right here goes in this bottom corner. And I had to reapply it a whole bunch of times, and I didn't stick on this back. In fact, it could probably be better, but I'm still applying it. So I'm probably going to heat this up and then stretch it into place.